Today, nearly 40,000 people work at Redstone Arsenal. In 1951, there were only 2,000, with no place to bank. 11 original members each put $5 in a shoebox, filled out the paperwork, and started the brand new Redstone Federal Credit Union, a plain cinder block building. No drive-through tellers, no computers. They plan to grow by offering membership for just $5, lower interest rate loans, and friendly customer service. It worked. Today, 24 branches serve more than 380,000 members. The original $55 has grown to more than $4 billion. That's almost 73 million shoeboxes of money. But they don't keep it in boxes anymore. Redstone Federal Credit Union loans money to members to buy homes, cars and boats, money to start businesses, go to school, even take a well-deserved vacation. But most importantly, Redstone provides trusted advice for our members. We continue to focus on security, convenience, and value. A lot has changed in our 65-year history, but service to our members and service to our community never goes out of style. Our employees donated money and more than 4,000 hours of their time to local nonprofits. You see Redstone employees running, tutoring, and giving of themselves all year. That's why a quilt represents us well. A quilt made up of the people, dreams, and successes of our community. Thanks to you, Redstone members.